Hey, hey, you are. Let's go for a ride and talk about some stuff. Let's dive into it. Let's roll into it. Let's talk about it. Let's get cracking. Me. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel as we steal everybody's intro. Yep. Do some motor raveling. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. Run an intro. Ain't no way it's 78.8 degrees. My armpit says it's hotter than that. Get some breeze blowing up them. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hey, so we gonna ride over here to Rockmart, Georgia. Hey, hey y'all, how you doing on this fine Sunday morning, Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon? How you mom and them? But that's not where we going. Oh, it's warmed up to 81.5 degrees now. It's getting acclimated. Maybe it was a little cooler. Got up this morning, did some editing on some videos or putting my cards in. I still got to make a thumbnail. Yep, a thumbnail for a ride yesterday. So then I went out and finished putting some final touches on a sign for somebody that's been bugging me for one. Yeah, so I got that. I had a good idea on it, got it situated. So I'm down to 2 signs, and I need one more, and then I'll have them 3 I was talked about earlier doing, and I got to clean them up, paint them, and ship them off. Yep. Grinder and paint, make the welder I ain't. So let's dive into what we're going to talk about, my top 5 favorite action heroes, not action heroes, I mean, ain't heroes, action actors. We got a couple, well, I guess, two honorable mention, but they're not really my favorites, you know. If they own, I'll watch them, you know. And that's the 2 honorable mention. I guess it's Kurt Russell, you know, the Snake, Escape from New York, and all them other movies. He's pretty good. Even Clint Eastwood from Whipped Them Again, didn't we, Josie? And it was a number 2. I done forgot. Guess he wasn't important. Yeah, but them 2. So number 5 would probably be Jason Statham. Jason Statham, he's an English guy, you know, from the Transporters, Fast and the Furious. He did some of them. Homeward. He's a pretty good actor, you know. Martial artist and actor and all. So that's number 5. We'll just jump right on into them. Number 4 is a kind of a toss-up. But we'll go with they pretty close on my picking boards, and that's number 4 would be Arnold Schwarzenegger. Get on the chopper, come with me if you want to live. Oh, I'll be back. I'm stopping here because the car is coming. Which way am I going? I guess I'm going this way. So Arnold Schwarzenegger, Terminator, is some of my favorite movies. We'll dive into that too when we get back. My top 5 favorite action actors, male actions, and their favorite movies I watch. So number 3, and if you guess First Blood, you know, Sylvester Stallone, you know, Rocky, you know, I think, well, I guess Conan and Rocky's about the same time, you know. So Sylvester Stallone, you know, he's pretty good. I've watched most of his movies. I think I've watched them all. His TV series, The King of Tulsa, is a good one. It's a good series. Can't wait till it come back on. Usually on Paramount. But anyway, that's number 3. Like I said, they was pretty close. Arnold Schwarzenegger's Sylvester Stallone. So number 2, you're going to have to wait on that. We're going to Sidekick. We've never eaten here at Sidekicks. Eat there at Linda's. If go back and watch some when the big motor vlogger came through on Fly with a Magpie or fly whatever, you know, as the Magpie flies. She stopped there here at Linda's, but wasn't knew she was coming through, but she didn't want to meet no small-time YouTubers. Well, anyway, that's enough of that. We right down here. Oh, now I got to sneeze. Guess we can go in this way. We are. Is it open? Well, they might not even be open. After the thing says it was, but I don't guess they are. It's a barbecue and steakhouse joint, but I guess they closed. The damn thing said they was open. Well, shoot. I hate Google thingy. It says it opens it. Guess a note on the door, but oh well. Go to bar. Oh wow, now let's see where we want to go to. I guess we'll go to the rail maybe. Or the Mexican restaurant. That's Linda's place. Well. There's a whole lot of meat on that Hayabusa. Ain't that what that is? I think it is. I shouldn't talk that way. The little shorts and slip-on tennis shoes. Yeah, your legs are hot, ain't they? It will be when he goes down. I shouldn't talk that way. Left Turn, Clyde. That was a Clint Eastwood movie. Know what it was from? Well, he said it in bunch, 2 of them. You picked a fine time to leave me loose wheel. Hell, I'm already talking and wasn't talking and thought I was talking. I did that bunch of them. Well, come on. These people don't know what they're doing. They ain't got a stop sign there. I don't know why they stop and there's no stop sign there. Yeah, I know there's no stop sign for y'all. There's enough room for all of us, yeah. Hey, there you are. So we leaving Jefferson. Woo, hot. I kind of Went, tried something new, and wasn't that great. Shrimp quesadillas, pass on them. Alright, I got a frog in my throat. Oh, me. Plant B. That's Plant B over there. I don't know what they are. Yeah, the shrimp quesadillas, like they took some raw shrimp, put it on a bed of cheese, and smashed it with a quesadilla bread, and it just, there wasn't no flavor to it. The jalapeno cheesy bites was pretty good. That was an appetizer. Yeah, it wasn't that greatest thing. And this should have got the wings like I should have thought it should have got. That's old Goodyear plant right there. They made tires, I guess. Goodyear. So we headed over to Paris Mountain. We've been there before. If I can find the video, I'll put it up here. They own the Georgia Wine Trail and all. Hey, that's right, Mark Fire Department. Woo woo. Well, oh, it did change. The park in the rear. So, number 2, favorite actors, action hero. I don't know how you would say action hero. They ain't really heroes, but they ain't action figures. That's a toy. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? They, yeah. Favorite male actors, action actors. Sheesh. So number 2 is kind of a toss-up. I don't know who to give it to. Yeah, man. Let's go with Mark Wahlberg as number 2. I like all his movies he's in, so he's number 2, Mark Wahlberg. I think I see what we did wrong, but anyway, we on another road. I think we came in the back way. We usually come in the other way, but it's okay. We made it. I kind of hope they have wine slushy over here. Most places do, but some of them don't. Whew. There it is. See, I told you we came in the back way. They got their bird things over them, keeping the birds eating all the wines up. Alright. We're leaving Paris Mountain Winery, and they did have slushies, wine slushy. Excuse me, it was good, as you can just tell. Good and cool, just what the doctors ordered. They say a glass of wine a day keeps the doctor away, what I heard. I don't know if she's just telling me that so she could drink a glass of wine a day or not. Oh, man. So my number 1 favorite all-time male actor action figure dealio is Tommy Lee Jones. I'll watch any movie he's in. Fugitive probably one. Well, I shouldn't tell you that because Then you know, if I do top 5 favorite actors movies that I liked them in. Cliffhanger. That was Sylvester Stallone, and it wasn't all that great. I'm a movie bluff. I like my movies. I watched that Bike Riders. It wasn't. Yeah, the clips was probably the best parts of it. If you watch the clips, the trailers, then the movies was about that good. I didn't enjoy it. It was just, I don't know. I like Daryl Dixon in it, you know, Funny Sonny. He made, just because he was in it. And the patches he wore, the Dead Devils. and then he also had his little skull with X's for the eyeballs and all. That's his patch. He just something about anxiety or something like that. I don't remember what it's for. But he's the one that designed that patch. So we headed to the house, and that was my run down my top favorite. And Sean Connery was the other one I couldn't think of, you know, by nomination that, you know, whatever they call it, didn't make the top 5. So number 5 was, who did I say? Oh, Jason Statham, and then Arnold Schwarzenegger, and then Rambo, Rocky, you know, Sylvester Stallone, and then number 2 was Mark Wahlberg, and number 1 was Tommy Lee Jones. So hope you enjoyed the little outing we just had. Now I'm gonna go and wash all this dust off the motorcycle from riding down dirt roads. Uh-oh. Well, go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.